see you guys again. Very awkward. I'm still getting used to this. So just looking in the camera is not a very natural experience for me. I love talking with people and having conversations with people, just eye to eye contact, just looking at the camera is a different feeling. But anyway, today I want to talk a bit about more of general questions about the crypto industry or more, and also icon. So let's get right to it. The first question: what would you say to new investors looking for more projects to invest in? So, first of all, as you know, blockchain or crypto is extremely volatile. So, don't put your life savings in it. Be extremely conservative. Do not uh, do your own research. I think a lot of you have heard this over and over before, but just that we all know that um, human greed and we tend to make very bad judgments. Even I have made a lot of mistakes in the past, but really, you should only put money into crypto, and you should expect to lose everything. And that should be the mentality. And I think it will be very helpful, much more helpful for mental health. Of course, you're not putting money or investing to lose everything, but you should be comfortable to lose what you put in. So that should be not just only for crypto, but any type of investment, anywhere you put your money in. You should diversify. You should make sure that you do your homework and so forth. So the other thing, if you do decide to invest in crypto, make sure that you do your homework and you try to put into something that has a focus on sustainability. So I've been raving about this for a very long time. Sustainability has been a primary focus of the Icon project. There are many projects out there that don't think about um, you know prioritizing sustainability. So I believe for any crypto projects, we need to make sure that um, there are players or contributors that are there. There's token economic systems that incentivizes uh, developers and the community to contribute and increase the value. We have something called CPS Fund, as you guys all know, which has been working continually, gives to different project teams to add value to the Icon network and to do more critical infrastructure development and so forth. So we want to continue to do that. So, but anyways, going back, the core should be to look at how think long term and see if such project has major pieces in place to make sure that this project will sustain for the long term. When native USDC or USDT on Icon? So that's a great question. It's something that we can't control. Obviously, USDC and USDT are they're centralized stablecoins managed by centralized entities. They have their priorities, they have limited resources, and they do things according to their own agenda. So we obviously have spoken to these organizations, and we'll see how those play out. But in all honesty, with BTP around the corner, and as interoperability becomes more and more prevalent as we move forward into the future, I really don't think it matters that much. Of course, it would be nice to have native integrations directly to Icon, but Icon is mainly there to be a hub, a nexus for interoperability. So I know that applications are being built, and we want to be promoting Icon SDK, and then we believe that successful applications will migrate to their own chains using Icon SDK and so forth. So, but Icon and ICX itself, we believe it is a primarily interoperability solution that facilitates transactions and bridging. So our goal is to bridge over something like USDC and USDT to other to Icon and other Icon SDK chains in the future. The next question is, will there be plans or other internship programs in other parts of the world to bring more developer talent to Icon? So, very good question. I know that there has been a wide amount of initiatives happening. I know that there's been Icon DAO team has been leading something in Vietnam, doing hackathons there, doing online hackathons to bring on more developers, and that has worked very well. We've found very, very talented people who are contributing to the Icon ecosystem today due to those type of initiatives. So we're very, very excited about that. We have people here in the US that's been working with universities and other organizations. There are other parts where, me personally, we've been working with like Stanford Law Journal and so forth. So, all we're there, we're all around, and we're always excited to find new people who could contribute to the Icon ecosystem. But yes, we're constantly looking for good people to join the team, and we're constantly looking to work with contractors or other dev shops around the world. And through those dev shops, we have hired many new workers who are introduced to the Icon ecosystem. So we feel very comfortable how we're expanding today in the developer community. Of course, it could be bigger and faster and so forth, and all those things. We're doing our best to work on that. But yeah, we're always open to and always planning and always working with our community members to expand the Icon ecosystem through these type of internships and hackathons and so forth, other type of programs.